வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வேரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டினில் 2022 குரூப் 1 கேட்கப்பட்ட பொது அறிவு கேள்விகளை பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இது நம்மளுடைய அந்த இதில் 4வது பாகம், பார்ட் 4. ஓகே, 91st கொஸ்டின். கன்சிடர் தி ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் ஜுடிஷியல் பவர் ஆஃப் தி கவர்னர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட்ஸ். சூஸ் தி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் ஃப்ரம் தி ஆப்ஷன் given below. Assertion. The power of granting burden under Article 161 is very wide and do not contain any limitation. Reason. R. Judicial review is possible when he or she is on the ground of non-application of mind and non-consideration of relevant material and suffers from arbitrariness. A. A is true, R is false. B. R is true, A is false. C. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation to A. D. Both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is C. Both A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation to A. 92nd question. The process of establishment of an organism in a new habitat is known as A. Exist. B. Migration. C. Immigration. C. Coaction. The correct answer is A. Exist. 93rd question. Which of the following characteristics of science is not true? 1. It is guided by natural law. 2. It is testable against the observable world. 3. Its conclusions are permanent. 4. It is falsifiable. No. A. 2, 3 and 4 only. B. 3 and 4 only. C. 3 only. D. 4 only. The correct answer is C. 3 only. 94th question. Quantum nature of light is not supported by the phenomenon by A. Compton effect. B. Photoelectric effect. C. Emission and absorption spectrum. D. Interference of light waves. The correct answer is D. Interference of light waves. 95th question. LPG is a mixture of A. C6H12 plus C6H6. B. C4H10 plus C3H8. C. C2H4 plus C2H2. D. C2H4 plus CH4. The correct answer is B. C4H10 plus C3H8. 96th question. Assertion. Critical thinking focuses on what causes a belief. Reason. R. Critical thinking entails evaluation and formulation, and it operates to rational standards in that belief are judged by how well they are supported by reasons. A. A is true, R is false. B. A is false, R is true. C. Both A and R are true, R is the correct explanation to A. D. Both A and R are true, R is not the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is B. A is false, R is true. 97th question. Match the following. List 1, list 2. Hydrated salt and its uses. FeSO4 7H2. Textile industry. Na2CO3 10H2O. Laboratory reagent. CuSO4 5H2O. Making more salt. Z10SO4 7H2O. Fungicide. BaCl2 2TOH2O. Manufacturing class. So direct answer போயிடலாம். That is C. 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. 98th question. இப்போ இதில் வர்ற சில கொஸ்டின்ஸ் மென்டல் ஆப்டிடியூட் நம்ம மிக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் முதல் முறையாக. If zebra can be returned 2651181, how cobra can be returned? A. 3102181. B. 315218. 1. C. 3182215. D. 3182181. The correct answer is B. 3152181. இது ஆல்ஃபபெட் நம்பரில் வர தூரம் அவ்வளோதான். 99th question. The instrument used to measure the atmospheric ozone concentration is A. Topsonometer. B. Barometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Anemometer. Correct answer is A. Topsonometer. 100th question. Match the organism correctly with their corresponding order. Apis, Haplodactylia, leech, cyclophiladia, earthworm, hirudinea, tenia, hymenoptera. The correct answer is 4312. D 4312. Another first question. Which among the following is or wrong about the fertilizer? A. Fertilizer must be insoluble in water. B. It should maintain the pH of 10 to 13. B. It should not be poisonous to plants. A. Only C. B. A and B. C. A, B, C, D, only B. The correct answer is B, A and B. 102nd question. Operation London Bridge is a final plan for Queen Elizabeth II. B. Process of selecting the Prime Minister of UK. Joint military exercise of NATO countries. D. Evacuations due to Russia-Ukraine war. The correct answer is A. Funeral plan for Queen Elizabeth II. 103rd question. Which of the following is true about Doppler effect? 1. Doppler effect is light in symmetry. B. Doppler effect in sound is symmetry. 3. Doppler effect in light is asymmetric. D. Doppler effect in sound is asymmetric. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 and 4 are correct. C. 3 and 4 are correct. D. 2 and 3 are correct. The correct answer is B. 1 and 4 are correct. 104th question. Which one of the following statements is correct about the aim of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana PMUY? A. To provide health services and clean environment to rural women. B. To provide clean energy fuel of liquefied petroleum gas to all rural households. C. To provide clean water and environment. D. To provide quality food and health. The correct answer is B. To provide clean energy fuel of liquefied petroleum gas to all rural households. 105th question. What are the forms of central bank digital currency CBDC proposed to be introduced by RBI? 1. Account based. B. Token based. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is C. 1 and 2. 106th question. The government has initiated the following key aspects for facilitating the MSME sector. A. Access to credit. B. Access to market. C. Technology upgradation. D. Social security for MSME sector employees. Select the correct option. A and B only. B, A, B and C only. C, B and D only. D, A, B, C and D. The correct answer is B, A, B and C only. B. 107th question. Which among the following is or not associated with Catch the Run campaign? A. The campaign is launched by the National Water Mission. B. The campaign drives to make check dams and water harvesting pits. C. The campaign stresses the removal of obstructions in the canal. D. The campaign requested the central institutions to open rain centers to guide people to harvest rain. A only. B and C only. C, A and B only. D only. The correct answer is D only. 108th question. The abbreviated term of VVPAT stands for A. Voter Visit Poll Account Trail. B. Voter Vivid Press Audit Trail. C. Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail. D. Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Account Trail. The correct answer is C. Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail. 109th question. Match the following and select the correct answer. Nayak Committee, Unorganized Sector. Tarapur Committee, Central State Relations. Rajamanar Committee, Available Credit to SSI. Arjun Sengupta Committee, Capital Account Convertibility. The correct answer is C. 3421. Nayak Committee, Availability of Credit to SSI. Tarapur Committee, Capital Account Convertibility. Rajamanar Committee, Central State Relations. Arjun Sen Gupta Committee, unorganized sector. 110th question, assessment reasoning. Assessment. The desert region of India can be divided into two parts, the Great Desert and the Little Desert. Reason. Between the two deserts lies a zone consisting of rocky land and cut up by limestone ridges. A is true, but all R is false. B, both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation to A. C, A is false, R is true. D, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is B, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation to A. 111th question. Which one of the following statement is correct for lithium-ion batteries? A, while the battery is discharging, the anode releases lithium ion to the cathode. B, while the battery is discharging, the cathode releases lithium ion to the anode. C, while the battery is charging, the anode releases lithium ion to the cathode. D, while the battery is charging, the cathode doesn't release lithium ion to the anode. The correct answer is A, while battery is discharging, the anode releases lithium ion to the cathode. 112th question. Beneficiaries of Moolur Ramamridam scheme are A, all primary school students. B, girl students who are studying from 1st to 5th standard. C, girl students who study from 6th to 12th standard in government schools. D, girl students of first generation in schools alone. The correct answer is C, girl students who are studying from 6th to 12th in government schools. 113th question. Which of the following is responsible for the protecting humans from harmful ultraviolet rays? A, UVA, B, UVC, C, ozone layer, D, none of the above. The correct answer is C, ozone layer. 114th question. M. Visvesvaraya's birthday celebrated as Engineers Day in India. He was the Diwan of the which princely state? A, Hyderabad, B, Jodhpur, C, Mysore, D, Gwalior. The correct answer is C, Mysore. 115th question. Which one of the following statement is our best explaining the objective of Ennum Elutthum scheme? 1. The scheme is launched to help children make up the loss of learning due to corona pandemic. 2. The scheme is launched with the purpose of education for all. 3. The scheme is launched with the noble objective of fostering equality in society. 4. The scheme is launched with the aim that all children below 8 years of age should be able to read, write and know numerals by 2025. The correct answer is 1 only, B, 1, 2 and 3 only, C, 2 and 4 only, D, 1 and 4 only. The correct answer is D, 1 and 4 only. 116th question. Read the following passage and answer the items given below. Agriculture continues to be the backbone of state economy as it provides livelihood, security and food security. The overall crop yields the state is bright. The southwest monsoon rainfall was normal and even distributed, helped to recharge the groundwater considerably and kept the state with adequate storage. All these factors made the irrigation scenario in the state encouraging. As the result, more areas was brought under cultivation. The government also provided adequate and timely supply of inputs through the agriculture extension centers. Sufficient and timely crop loans were made available for the eligible farmers through primary agriculture cooperative societies. Which of the following is the best implied in the passage? A. Agriculture of the state still remained the lifeline for the people. B. Due to proper rainfall and government efforts to provide agriculture loan and inputs, agriculture turned prosperity. C. Primary agricultural cooperative banks play a crucial role in agricultural development. D. Over-exploitation of groundwater to agriculture sector will affect the growth of other sectors. The correct answer is B. Due to proper rainfall and government efforts to provide agriculture loan and input, agriculture turned prosperity. 117th question. Health program and aims and our goals. Tamil Nadu Health System program to provide modern and sophisticated healthcare facility to poor. Tamil Nadu Health System project to improve the outcomes of the urban poor. C. Chief Minister's Comprehensive Health Insurance Scheme to improve health of lower socioeconomic groups. D. Tamil Nadu Urban Health Center Care to achieve SDG 3. The correct answer is A. 4312. A. 4312. 118th question. Which are the provision inserted in the Central Universities Amendment Act 2022? 1. Establishment of Gati Sakti Vishwa Vidyalaya. 2. Providing high quality teaching, research and skill development in diverse disciplines related to physical sciences. 3. Upgradation of state universities to central universities. 4. Providing high quality teaching, research and skill development in diverse disciplines related to transportation, technology and management. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 3. D. 1 and 4. The correct answer is D. 1 and 4. 119th question. Assessment and reasoning. Assessment. The Indian government has taken up economic programs to benefit of SCs and STs. Reason. Provided small loans for proper section to help them to earn money through some secondary sources such as toy making, basket making, agarbatti and beadi rolling, tailoring and shoe making, etc. A is true, R is false. B, both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation to A. C, A is false, R is true. D, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is B, both A and R are true, and the R is the correct explanation to A. 120th question. Assertion. A. When price decreases, purchasing power increases, which and vice versa. Reason. When production goods decline, the price of goods increases and then the purchasing power is affected. A is correct, R is false. B, both A and R are false statements. C, A is correct and R is not correct explanation. D, A is correct, R is the correct explanation. The correct answer is D, A is correct, R is the correct explanation. So thank you very much. So the same follow-up, we'll see it in next video. Thank you.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.